Namaste everyone. I, Dr. Pratibha KS, welcome you to my channel Pratibha with Biotechnology. Today in this video, you are going to get some information about future avenues in biotechnology. Career opportunities in biotechnology like research and development at CIPLA, GSK, okay. Then forensic science like police department, you can join over there as a crime lab technician. And after your BSc, you can also work for this IAS, KAS, KPSC exams. You can appear. Quality control analyst, you'll be appointed as quality control analyst. Then technologists and technicians in medical and clinical labs. You can also become a biochemist, environmental engineer, junior research scientist. And you can also pursue in future MSc with below specializations like biotechnology, microbiology, molecular biology, genetics, biochemistry, and you can also pursue bioinformatics at IBAB or any other university. Okay. MSc with below specializations also you can do. Okay, if you pursue all these above MSc course, you'll be appointed as a MBBS teaching faculty. So MSc anatomy, MSc in pharmacology, MSc in regenerative medicine, MSc in medical biochemistry. Okay, after MSc you can also pursue PhD, and you can if you are very much interested with the research methodologies and research work, all that things, you can also become a scientist in many reputed companies and research institutes. Now let us go through about biotechnology. Biotechnology is a science that uses the method and process for transformation of natural raw materials into useful product by the application of living organism in the industrial processes, right? It is the precise processes in which scientific techniques will be done. Then it is a technique to develop useful and beneficial plants. It improves processes of traditional plant breeding. Main aims of biotechnology, like to develop industrial processes for production of antibiotics, enzymes, etc. To develop gene surgery and gene therapy to cure genetic disease. To create improved varieties of plants and animals through genetic engineering and plant breeding. To develop techniques for tissue culture, cell culture, and organ transplantation. Also, to develop bioenergy, to develop biological process of waste treatment to reduce the impact of pollution. Also, to develop biological process of plant disease control. These are some of the main aim of biotechnology. Now, let us go through applications of biotechnology. There are several areas where biotechnology is applied for human welfare. 5 priority areas have been identified. First one, biotechnology in the field of agriculture. It is applied in agriculture for production and protection of crop plants. It helps in production of disease resistant variety of plant as well as virus-free plant. It helps in large production of crops within short period of time. Next, second application, biotechnology in medicine. It has a wide range of application in medicine. It is widely used in animal and human health care. It is applied in prevention, diagnosis, and cure of diseases. It helps in production of antibiotics, interferon antibodies, vaccines, gene therapy, etc. Third one, biotechnology in the field of fermentation. Fermentation is core of modern biotechnology. A variety of important organic compounds are produced industrially by fermentation properties of microbes. These include alcohol, enzymes, vitamins, etc. Then fourth application, biotechnology in the field of sewage treatment. Microorganisms are widely used to reduce environmental pollution by acting on sewage wastage. And the fifth criteria, fifth main application, biotechnology in energy production. The energy obtained from biological source is called bioenergy. Fermentation of cow dung, farm refuse, garbage, etc. By methionine bacteria, the methane bacteria in anaerobic condition produces biomass. Now let us go through the biotechnology at industrial point of view. The biotechnology industry is diverse, growing, and filled with huge opportunities. Over the last few decades, the industry has produced innovative technologies that have transformed the lives of millions around the globe. Today, continued advances in areas like gene therapy, regenerative medicine, DNA sequencing promise to result in more effective industrialized healthcare and preventive medicine for years to come. Expected to reach $727 billion by 2025. The industry's unparalleled growth has no end in sight. Biotech present scenario, jobs are abundant. In fact, many employers currently struggle to fill the roles with qualified candidates. The four biotechnology areas employers report the most difficulty in finding qualified candidates, like research and development, in short R&D, regulatory affairs, quality and clinical research. These are top four functional areas in which biotech organizations plan to expand most in the coming years. What biotechnology industry needs? The growing biotech market means more career opportunities are available in organizations ranging from large pharmaceutical operations to entrepreneurial startups. With the rapid pace of innovation, this also means aspiring professionals need to have a strong background and up to date skill sets in order to find success in the field. For those looking to break into or advance in the field, your time is now. You can work on. This is the right time. Right now, you can think about your career in biotechnology. The biotechnology industry is in immediate need of innovative leaders, professionals who possess cross-functional expertise, combining the skills of scientists, business strategists, and public policy advocate. Individuals with this combination, like advanced scientific knowledge, soft skills, intellectual flexibility, global vision, most will be preferred. Individuals can pursue a career path in an industry posed to answer today's most challenging healthcare problems while saving lives along the way. Those individuals looking to break into or advance their biotechnology careers should pay close attention to these industry trends that will continue to grow. As these and other new specialities emerge, there will be ample opportunity for success. Now let us go through the current trends and areas of study in biotechnology. Molecular biotechnology. Molecular biotechnology is focused on studying the chemical structures, functions, organization, and process of molecules, the most basic unit of living things. The molecular biology applications in biotechnology today are revolutionizing the way we think of medicine, notably impacting scientists' abilities to identify and treat drug-resistant diseases. This area of study is currently at the forefront of advancements in DNA fingerprinting, adaptive immunity, gene targeting, gene editing, gene therapy, gene silencing, RNA interference, and stem cell technology. Process development, like focuses on the production of drugs and biopharmaceuticals, from cell culture processes to the purification of biologic molecules. Pulling from theories in engineering and life science, the professionals in this discipline focus on the scaling of drug compounds to mass production while remaining compliant with strict regulatory policies. The next current trends areas like biopharmaceutical and analytical sciences. This area of study focuses on structures and activities of biological molecules formed during the production of biopharmaceuticals and the impact of these structural changes on the safety and efficacy of the drugs. Pharmaceutical technologies. This discipline focuses on the conversion of purified proteins to biopharmaceutical drug products that are compatible for clinical use. This concentration addresses the design, development, and implementation of the drug product manufacturing process. The next current trend and areas of study of biotechnology is scientific information management. Scientific information management focuses on the collection, management, analysis, and visualization of large amounts of scientific data. This concentration addresses the issues surrounding big data that face the industry today. The next one is regulatory science. This concentration addresses the issues surrounding current and innovative science practices that influence regulatory decisions. Key areas of development in the field of biopharmaceutical product regulation and the industry's evolving compliance requirements both domestically and abroad. Biotechnology, enterprise management. This area of the field integrates business and management skills with the sciences of biotechnology, focusing on the fundamental concepts of leadership, entrepreneurship, innovation, financial decision making, and marketing, and many more. All within the context of developing biotechnology products, these professionals are the leaders and managers within the industry. Now let us go through the careers in biotechnology. Many pursuing a degree in biotechnology aspire to the title of scientist. If you think, you can. What you think, you become. So you can think and we can pursue. In most cases, a PhD is required. However, with the professional master's degree, this career path is made possible. With this degree, individuals looking to work in the lab are able to progress from research associate to scientist and eventually to director level and beyond. Further, biotechnology professionals work in many functional areas, including research and development, in short R&D, clinical science, operations and manufacturing, quality assurance and regulatory affairs, government and policy making, business and global leadership, product marketing, technology, sales and support, strategy and innovation. Now let us go through the job titles and the role. Biomedical engineers. Biomedical engineers combine engineering and biological expertise to design solutions to problems in biology and medicine, with the goal to improve the quality and effectiveness of patient healthcare, design biomedical equipment like kits, okay, or design biomedical devices and medical software such as artificial organs, then prostheses, then and diagnostic machines, and many more. Biochemists. Biochemists study the chemical properties of living things and biological processes such as cell development, cell growth, heredity, and disease. They conduct complex research projects and frequently isolate, analyze, and synthesize proteins, lipids, fats, DNA, carbohydrates, that is sugars, and other biomolecules. They also do research and on the effects of drugs, the effects of drugs, hormones, and nutrients on tissues and biological process to develop products and processes that may improve human health. Medical scientists, that is, they conduct clinical research to improve patient health by investigating diseases and prevention methods. They may also develop and test medical devices. They frequently prepare and analyze medical samples to investigate the causes and treatments of toxicity, pathogens, and chronic diseases. These scientists also help standardize drug potency, doses, and methods for the mass manufacturing and distribution of drugs, also medicinal compounds. Biological or clinical technicians, also known as medical laboratory scientists. Biological technicians collect samples in a very systematic way, perform tests, and analyze results of body fluids, tissues, bacterial cultures, and other substances. These technicians use lab instruments, advanced robotics, specialized computer software, and automated equipment to collect, analyze, and model experimental data. Microbiologists study on viruses, bacteria, and the immune system to produce biomedical and industrial products. These professionals conduct complex research projects and other lab experiments which are needed for the society, which are in need. Okay, usually we need those experiments for the societal welfare, right, or social welfare. That time they'll work on to aid in the diagnosis and treatment of infectious illness. And other job titles and the role, like business development manager. Managers provide detailed market analysis and competitive intelligence, help biotechnology companies formulate and execute growth and investment strategies. They assist in assessing and pursuing expansion, acquisition, and collaborative research. Partnering opportunities with other biotechnology institutions to achieve business growth in the line with corporate strategic goals. Director of Strategy and Commercialization. Biotechnology professionals in these business related roles are responsible for the development and execution of the commercialization strategy. Professionals are responsible for the development of strategy for new biotechnology products, including launch of specific product, what they have manufactured, right? Then market development, then marketing. That is nothing but initiation or improvisation, everything which comes under this commercialization. Sales and logistics, driving growth and profitability, ensuring compliance with regulatory and quality requirements. Then one can also pursue masters in biotechnology. Okay, why you need to pursue a master's in biotechnology? Master's degree prepare you to collaborate and lead in a variety of biotech specialties, but you will also gain the scientific knowledge. You must have scientific knowledge about that particular specialized subject. And also you must have technical skills to handle different instruments or machines. You must know the SOP, standard operating procedure, and different technical skills you must have. To fulfill all the technical skills in your interested area of biotechnology, you must do some workshop or you must go through some training programs, how to handle some of the very specific main category of instruments which comes under research of biotechnology. Strategic business competencies required to take your career in any direction. Here are some reasons to start pursuing your degree today. Meet employer demand, stay competitive with your peers, increase your salary, increase your marketability, be employable. Not get employable, be employable. Be with the full of skills. Success will follow you. Next, further we'll be going through here, skills for success. Although the market outlook is extremely positive and jobs are abundant, it's critical that professionals keep their skills sharp and knowledge up to date. The key to continued success in the industry is a combination of specialized scientific knowledge, technical skills, interpersonal soft skills is very, very important than business acumen. Strategies for success in the industry. Sharpen your scientific knowledge and technical expertise. So the critical areas of scientific knowledge for those looking to work in biotechnology include molecular biology, cellular culture and biology, chemical analysis, purification, research methodology, drug development, clinical research, lab research, genetics, data management or data analysis. So these are some of the strategies for success in the industry. One must have the knowledge about all this. Then you can see strategies for success in the industry. One has to develop soft skills and business acumen. Okay, once develop these non-science specific competencies are considered the most in demand soft skills by biotechnology employers. Communication or communication skills, research methodologies, organizational skills, detail-oriented presentation, problem-solving skills or troubleshooting, time management, business strategy, project management, people management, very, very important, which is very critical. Now there is a huge crisis, right? But one must know how to manage people. Then budget management, very important criteria. Now let us go to build your professional network. Another key strategy for success in the biotechnology industry is by establishing a robust professional network that will lead to a success in the industry or wherever you go, wherever you are joined. Make it a priority to build meaningful connections with those around you, including colleagues, supervisors, advisors, professors, other industry professionals. Hope you understood today's presentation. Okay, hope today's video will be useful for you. When you focus problem, you lose the good. When you focus on goal, you lose your problem. Think about this. I, Dr. Pratibha KS, signing off for today. I'll be back with another interesting video for you. I'm there for you, loving you all. I belongs to you and you belongs to me. Thank you. Thank you for being with me.